Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making a dog pizza, a pizza that's safe for dogs, and I have Willow here. Should turn around. There you go. Now you can actually see her shirt, and you can see that we're matching, and I'm surprised that fit her, because we always get her like new Teddy Fresh clothing, and then it is too small for her. But yeah, so the first thing I'm going to start with is the crust, and in here I think, oh yeah, this is the wheat flour, and then this is the coconut flour, and then I just have like a cup of each so far, and so I'm gonna put both of them in my bowl. And then here I have like a less sodium chicken broth, and I'm gonna not specifically measure it out, but I'm just gonna slowly add some in. Let me just mix my two flours together first. There's Willow, she's gonna hang out over here waiting. And then I'm making a little bit of a well here to slowly add in my broth. And to actually make my pizza, I'm going to be using pizza maker that my brother got me. It was like, I think a couple Christmases ago. But yeah, I've been using it a lot of the time. But you can just use an oven, of course, if you don't have one of those. I'm definitely gonna need more. I'm just like, I don't want to add too much and then it's wet. But yeah, this should make like a nice full-sized pizza that'll fit into my maker here. And then I have there's a bunch of different options you can do for toppings, and so I will show you that later once I start forming the pizza. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep adding more broth, kind of forming it together, and then I will roll it out on my mat. So this is what my dough looks like after kneading it a good amount, and I added about a cup and a quarter of the chicken broth. It's not exact, but I just added first a cup, and then I would slowly splash in some more broth. So hopefully this should be okay. Already rolling it out, it's starting to crack a little bit. I'm trying to like make sure it forms, but I'll keep rolling it out because we don't want a thick dough. Let's see if I can kind of get the edges here, but I don't want to ruin it. There you go. Okay, and then I already have my thing on here. It's starting to warm up, and I'm gonna need to use this big spatula to hopefully lift it and not break it, to put it on my thing. Okay, so put it on my thing. It like kind of broke off a little bit, but I managed to fix it. And this is the stuff I have. I'll explain it as I kind of go. But in here is cooked yam, and I'm gonna use it as like my sauce. Let me grab this other spoon I have over here, because it's definitely not like a sauce consistency. I'm gonna need to scoop it on there, kind of spread it across like that. Okay, let me scoop some more. But yeah, obviously it'll be a lot easier forming the dough on like a pan if you're putting it in the oven. But because I'm using this, you always have to actually form the pizza in here. Okay, I have all my yams spread across. I still have some extra. I'll probably like, I don't know, give it to her in a Kong later or something. And then for my cheeses, I actually have real shredded cheese here. Then I'm also going to use carrots. She likes carrots as well. So I'll start with a little bit of cheese first. And then some shredded carrots. Oops, I got some on the edge. But yeah. More. The rest of this cheese. Okay, I think that's a pretty good amount. I'm gonna put some turkey, and I just like sliced it up. I was gonna do like the little, whoops, whoa, almost touched the edge. I was gonna do like little pieces of carrots as pepperoni. I saw some people doing that, but because it already has carrots, I'll put some of this. Okay, so we're gonna cook this in here for about 10 minutes, especially because the dough's pretty thick. But I guess if you're doing it in the oven, you could do like maybe at 400 degrees until it's like nicely baked, so maybe like 15 minutes. But yeah, we'll see how it turns out in about 10 minutes. Okay, here is the final pizza, and it looks really nice. Except, of course, I can't eat it. It's for Willow. Let's see. There you go. Just kidding. I'm not gonna let her eat it off the board, but I'm gonna cut into it, and it should be okay. Whoa. Let's see if it's easy to cut into. Smells kind of weird. I think I started smelling the yam. Let's see if I can pull that off. Nope. I don't think it's gonna come off nicely. Let's see. Oh, the crust doesn't really stick. That's okay. Oh, look at the cheese is nice and melty. Hopefully, I don't know, it might be a little too warm right now. Okay, so now the pizza is finally cooled off, and you might notice that the crust part is missing here, but it's because I kept having to like do this to take a thumbnail picture, and she was like trying to grab the piece, and she somehow grabbed just the crust, which is good. But yeah, now I'm gonna give her a little slice. She's probably gonna run off with it, so maybe. There we go. Just take a little gentle bite. There we go. Oh, there we go. Well, she loves it so much, she almost like choked on it. There we go. She's taking it over there. But yeah, of course she liked it. Here's what the pizza looks like. All the turkey's nice and crispy. Oh, she's coming back for more. I'll give her this piece of cheese. Oh, there we go. But yeah, of course she likes it. She actually likes the yam. I didn't know she was gonna like the yam. We had her taste it earlier just by itself. But yeah, so this is how I made Willow her very own dog pizza, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!